Well, my vacation here is coming to an end, and it's been kind of nice to take a break from staring at charts a whole bunch. Really, I think what I want to do now is focus less on day trading, maybe just drop it entirely, because really it's hindering me. I do a pretty good job of recovering my losses, getting ahead, but again, like I was saying in my last video, it's just hard to hold on to those gains. And really, since I've been holding these long positions like Playboy, it's just a better experience overall. It really is. Some exciting news about Playboy. Sackville & Co. are going to be working with Playboy directly to produce some Playboy licensed cannabis hardware, as they've put it, which I think is really exciting. I really like that idea. I think that's fantastic. Of course, that means I'm going to have to buy more Playboy stock. Another company I want to buy more stock in is American Eagle Outfitters, and so I'm just going to be buying long positions, shares every month, and just let the account grow and stop day trading. Stop staring at the charts all the time. As far as forecasting goes, SLV, silver, gold, really starting to come up, and that's fantastic. These targets that we're reaching, I thought we'd get here probably last week, but things always take longer than I think they will. Remember, when I make these forecasts, some of them are very longer term, so the dollar to bounce, I think, is still coming up. Not today, though. Nope. If we do get a low below 101 in the dollar strength, then we'll have to start considering that we're in a very sharp zigzag pointing down. But until then, I still think we're going to see the dollar strength increase as rates rise. I also am anticipating a flight to safety into the bond market, and that's going to be interesting because what that's going to do is drive yields down, but at the same time, as rates rise from the Fed, it's going to have a really mixed reaction. It's going to be very complicated. Nothing is going to be simple, I think, coming up. And so it's getting really hard to forecast what's going on. QQQ passing 313. Of course, that means we have to consider 328 as a target now. That's just a simple ABC push higher, and that's just a 100% move if A equals C. If we get the extension at 161.8%, it's going to be a little higher than that. At this point, I don't really know or want to even try to forecast where the high of this rally is going to be in the equities in general, because it's a sharp, narrow, emotional, overly enthusiastic B wave, I think, which really could mark the middle of the bear market. And overall, I don't think inflation's really been the problem. I think deflation is really what's going to send the markets lower when the fundamentals of these companies start to shrink, because guess what? The economy is literally being crushed. So for now, that's what I want to say. I just want to put these thoughts down. I've been on vacation. It's been fantastic. I'm going to make a turn here in my approach to the markets, focus more on fundamental analysis, and just going long and taking it easy.